The all-new BMW 5 Series offers a wide range of intelligent driving assistance systems to provide you with the maximum of comfort and safety. The optional Driving Assistant Plus is the most advanced state-of-the-art technology. A part of this technology package is the Steering and Lane Control Assistant. Now, this system takes the strain off the driver, especially on highways, and provides you with more comfort and safety. It offers semi-automated driving when taking over. Therefore, the BMW 5 Series uses lane mark detection and additional information from other vehicles ahead. Another innovative function of the Steering and Lane Control Assistant is the Lane Change Assistant. Now, when initiating a lane change by using the indicator, the car checks for the blind spot and changes the lane automatically. Lane changing has never been this easy. These were just a few of many driving assistance systems in the all-new BMW 5 Series.